Introducing PrimeCost PRO. Before starting any estimate, simply update your material database. PrimeCost PRO allows you to maintain current prices for metal studs, metal tracks, gypsum boards, accessories, and other construction materials. You stay in complete control of your pricing, ensuring every estimate reflects the latest market costs. Creating a new project is simple. Enter your project information, including the project name, client details, location, and estimator information. Once completed, click Prepare Cost Estimate to begin. Next, define your drywall specifications. Select the wall type, enter the wall dimensions, and specify the framing details such as metal stud spacing and wall thickness. If the wall includes doors or windows, simply enter their sizes and quantities. PrimeCost PRO automatically adjusts the calculations by deducting wall openings from the total area. No manual calculations required. With a single click, PrimeCost PRO instantly generates a complete bill of materials. The software automatically calculates metal studs, metal tracks, gypsum boards, screws and fasteners, joint compounds, mesh tape, concrete nails, and every other required material.